People always say you need to go to fashion school before you can become a fashion designer. But honestly, that is not the only way. I didn't go to a formal fashion school, but I still became one. This message is for everybody, and this is not even just about fashion designing alone. It applies to all area of your life.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a demo. You don't really know you.
My name is Phayeezah. I'm a fashion designer and founder of Isa Clothing. I didn't learn fashion design in a formal school. I actually started by learning from a local tailor shop, like an apprentice. And after that, I kept improving my skills by practicing and learning more on my own. So in this video, I want to show you how a realistic guide you can follow, especially if you're just starting out. Now, let me be very clear. You don't need to attend a formal school to become a fashion designer, but you do need to learn the skill. There are different ways to learn. You can go to a fashion school, learn from a tailor, like I did, or you can learn online. There is no perfect path. What matters is that you actually learn how to create clothes. I see a lot of people get it wrong when I say you can learn fashion design without going to a fashion school. The thing that comes to their mind is that, oh, I can actually learn without learning the basic skill. I don't know if that makes sense. So when I say even if you don't have a formal school, I'm not saying that you cannot be in places where you have a mentor, somebody showing you how to do it, or you're learning it online. Even though you're learning it online, definitely you're learning from someone. It's someone that's showing you how to put this together, how to join this together, and the likes. You're still learning from a source. You still have a source. But the only difference here is that it's not the basic formal school. That's why when I see a lot of people say, you mentioned that you can learn fashion design without going to fashion school, how is that even possible? I try to take my time to explain what I actually meant by you not having a formal education but still learning fashion design the easy way. I don't know if that makes sense, but I just hope it makes sense to somebody right now. My journey too was like that. I didn't learn from a fashion school. I didn't go to a formal fashion school, but I was opportuned to learn from a tailor. Okay, she was the one who showed me the business. But due to some situation, I couldn't finish there. I had to move. This is where the journey of me learning on my own started. Okay, and I feel like that actually brought about the inspiration behind the creation of this channel. I knew there are a lot of people like me out there who are confused, or let me say not really clear about the specific area they needed to focus on when they're learning fashion design, and probably they're not in the space where they can learn from a mentor or somebody physically. This channel is to help you get started in your journey of learning fashion design the smart way. The first thing you need to focus on is sewing. When I started, I had to learn things step by step, like how to use a sewing machine, how to cut fabric properly, how to join pieces together. My experience at the early stage was that I had a tailor to show me the business, so I was able to learn how to operate the sewing machine there. I would say that that is a plus. That was definitely a plus. But now we have videos online now that can show you the step-by-step guide on how to learn this. So it is a must. If you're just starting out in fashion design, try to learn the basics, and trust me, it's not gonna be easy at first. It definitely won't be perfect, but that's how you grow. There was a time around last year when I had a conversation with a friend, and she was like, oh no, there's a difference between the tailor and the fashion designer. Then we're having the argument, because I really do not like to argue, but I was still not agreeing with her to some extent, because I was standing on the fact that even if you're a fashion designer, you are still a tailor, because you still have to understand how garments comes to life, how to join clothes and piece together. I started arguing, and then I brought up the suggestion that we should search for the meaning of a fashion designer and a tailor. Guess what, guys? We went on Google, we searched for the difference between a fashion designer and a tailor. And what Google brought was that a fashion designer is somebody who sketches designs, okay, who is like the brain behind the inspiration, like how the design came to life, okay. So that was what Google gave us, and it told us that a tailor is somebody who joins fabric or makes garments, okay. Now, what the message is actually trying to pass to us is that even if you're a fashion designer or you're a tailor, there's still something that connects us together. You're still trying to, bring a creation to life. You're still trying to bring out a unique dress design. If you're just starting out in your journey of fashion designing, the truth is that you have to learn how to sew, because fashion designing is not just about having ideas. It's about bringing those ideas to life. It's about communicating your ideas to the reality and bringing it to life. If you watched this video to this point and you've not subscribed to the channel yet, tell me, what are you waiting for? Hit on the subscribe button, hit on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I share a new post. I'm bringing new posts here every week, so you don't want to miss it because they're not just knowledge facts, they will help you in your fashion design journey. If you've not liked this video yet, kindly give it a like. The next thing that you have to get yourself familiar with, that you have to learn, is understanding designs. This is where a lot of people get it wrong. Design is actually not about copying what you see. It's about understanding how clothes are made and how to create something that feels different. Start observing how fits around you. I do say this, I do tell most of the people that I mentor online that you have to get yourself familiar with the outfits you see around you for you to understand the basics. We do buy ready-made dresses online. We do shop online on probably Temu or Shine. You do shop and you see how some of these dresses are being constructed. You can actually start by studying the outfits you have, designs that you have around you. And by the way, Isa Clothing hosted its first ever bootcamp, fashion design starter bootcamp, and it's a 2-day training. We did it, and guys, it was a success. I had people coming back and asking when the next bootcamp training will be on, and I told them to stay glued to my page and my channel, that the info will be brought here as well. But currently we are having our FDFP program, pronounced as FDFP, for this set for the month of March. So FDFP is a fashion design foundation program where I guide beginners through the basis of fashion design. You're going to learn fashion design the easy way, the smart way, and in this program I'm going to show you the practical and the theoretical aspects of starting fashion design. So FDFP is basically about the basic and the foundation aspects of fashion design. So if you've never learned fashion design before, or you felt that you learned but you want to perfect your skill when it comes to fashion designing, then FDFP is the program for you. To register, send me a mail via my email address at phayeezah@gmail.com. I'm going to share the details on how to register with you. Like I was saying before, you have to understand how fabrics are being joined together, the basis behind garment construction and how they come to life. You can do that as a beginner by checking out scenes, by checking out the outfits that you have around you, like asking yourself questions like, how was this outfit made? What makes the design stands out? Questions like this will make you start understanding the fact that fashion design is basically about creativity. This one, I cannot count the number of times that I've stressed it. I say this whenever I have the chance to, and this is for the fact that you have to start even before you are ready. One mistake a lot of beginners make is waiting to feel ready, waiting to have everything all figured out, waiting to feel more confident rather than doing. And this is where they get it all wrong, because all of these things comes after doing. Where you stand up to do it fearfully, even though you're not sure of what the outcome might be at the time, but you stood up to still do it. You grow by doing. That's just the real truth. Even when I started, my work wasn't perfect, but every piece I made helped me improve, and that is actually the fun of it. This message is for everybody, and this is not even just about fashion designing alone. It applies to all area of your life. Keep improving yourself. Yeah, I'm telling you this now. Even after I left the tailoring shop, I didn't stop there. I didn't stop learning. I didn't stop improving. I kept improving myself, watching, practicing, and trying out new techniques. And that's something you need to understand. Becoming a fashion designer is not a one-time thing. It is continuous. You keep learning, you keep growing, you keep getting better. And that is where the fun begins. I want you to start where you are, whether you have access or not, whether you're perfect, whether you're just trying to figure things out. Figure it out along the way. Whether you have access to a tailor, online resources, or you're just starting from zero, you can begin. You don't need a perfect design. You just need to take the first step. If you're serious about becoming a fashion designer and building your own brand, then you're in the right place. I'll be sharing everything from sewing to design to building a fashion brand. So make sure you subscribe and check out some of the videos I've uploaded in the playlist. They'll not only help you get started, they'll give you the confidence you need along the way. Let me know in the comments, where are you starting from?